Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of ergonomic comfort with the Balmstar Office Desk Chair, a high-back ergonomic chair designed for those long hours at your desk. This chair is crafted to enhance your seating experience with its 4 support points, including head, back, hip, and hands, along with lumbar support, ensuring you maintain the perfect posture whether you're working or resting. The breathable mesh fabric backrest keeps you cool, while the memory foam cushion offers a soft yet firm seat that won't deform over time. With adjustable features like seat height and headrest, this chair caters to all body types, offering a maximum tilt of 135 degrees for ultimate relaxation. It's versatile enough for any setting, from offices to home workstations, and its 360-degree rotating base and silent wheels make movement effortless on hard floors. Plus, the armrests fold up to transform it into a crosschair, adding to its adaptability. Easy to assemble in just 20 minutes, this chair also comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring that any quality issues are promptly addressed with free part replacements. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.